Awareness needs a mind and mind needs a body to play on like a software that needs some hardware. The entire space, though it is full of light, and yet is dark to the human eye. The light is beyond existence or non-existence unless it has something to shine. Same way, body is required for the awareness to express itself and witness the existence. Body and mind are inseparable, almost like two sides of the same coin. There is no wall dividing them. Body has tied down the existence by limitations. Since it can hear limited sounds, existence has limited sounds. Since it can see limited colors, existence has limited colors. Since it can smell the limited odors, the existence has limited odors. Senses are the windows through which the existence is viewed by the awareness. Windows could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or more. Each sense opens a new dimension for the existence to express. Body-mind may be in the form of, even beyond the imagination of, human mind. In the form of an organism, or in the form of a cloud, or in the form of a sky with unimaginable senses and capabilities. But whatever form it may take, life means this awareness, this real, universal, eternal I, here and now. Body shapes the mind and the mind shapes the body, governing each other, resulting in continuous evolution of body-mind, becoming more and more complicated with time. Scientists say that the matter is nothing but an empty space, filled with electric and magnetic waves which induce each other. Waves getting entangled into patterns and patterns becoming rigid, turning into matter. Matter again falling into patterns, patterns falling into more patterns. The evolution of body-mind continues with the fabric of cause and effect. The body-mind has its own intelligence. It has the instinct to survive using the tool of pain. It has the instinct to go on by reproduction using the tool of pleasure. One may ask, why is it so? Well, that is how the body-mind continuum has survived so far. Maybe these are the only tools it could invent to protect, support, rebuild, and improve itself. The fight for survival and yearn for pleasure has led the body-mind continuum to develop enormously complex organism. Body-mind has been on a continuous journey of evolution. The fittest species survive and rule over the weaker ones. The weaker species get instinct and ruled by the stronger ones. There is so much of thrill in stretching the limits and peeping into the beyond that has led to the ongoing developments of so many discoveries and inventions, increasingly development of all kinds of sophisticated gadgets and so-called artificial intelligence has extended the limits of body-mind, but limits, however much stretched, are always limited.